Evo Phoenix. So in this video what you're going to see is how to download Unreal Engine. So first you have to go to Chrome and search Epic Games and you have to click download. Wait for it and you have to click download Epic Games Launcher, and it's also available in Mac OS. Okay, download Epic Games Launcher, you have to click on it and it'll open another tab. And then you have to open File Explorer. So you have to open File Explorer. So if you have space, you can put it in the local disk C. I don't have space, so I'm gonna put new volume D because it will take maximum 20 GB. So I'm gonna put it in new volume D, and you have to create a folder here and name it Epic Games Launcher or Epic Games, anything. And now you have to go to downloads. In the Epic Games Launcher, you have to double click on it. Wait for it to load. And it will show Epic Games Launcher setup. You have to give change. And it will show another setup. You have to give new volume D. And you have to click Epic Games and click OK. Now you have to click install. Okay, you have to give yes in my another screen it came. So guys, wait. So guys, it's finally come verifying update. It's checking all the updates. So I'll see when the verifying updates is over. So guys, now I'm talking about Unreal Engine. It's so good. If you don't want graphics, you can download Unity. If you want nice graphics like Fortnite and this game, you have to use Unreal Engine. If you want graphical, if you use Unity, that won't happen. You have to use Unreal Engine. If you want graphics, you can use Unity also, it's okay. But if you want more graphics like Fortnite, you can use Unreal. And what's the disadvantages? Unity will take little space. Unreal Engine will take little more space than that. And guys, now the Epic Games Launcher has come. Let's see what's going to happen. So I have logged in. Now we are preparing the Epic Games Launcher. Oh, guys, it has come. It says got downloaded. Now we just wait until this comes. Post installation. Browse. Tell this. Guys, so you have to choose installation browse and you have to go to new volume D. You have to click Epic Games and you have to click select folder. So now you have to go to options and you have to click Battle Royale. Where's it not coming? Oh, no. This is. Okay, I'm gonna install it. And cancel. Because I don't need Fortnite. Uninstall. I'm going to uninstall Fortnite because I don't need it. I uninstalled it. Maybe long time ago. So now we have to go to Unreal Engine, the main thing I was talking about. Now the Unreal Engine is released 4.2. Boot. If you want, you can download Unreal Engine 5 new UX, but I am gonna use Unreal 4. Okay, now you gotta click install. Now you have to click I agree. I always click I agree. So Epic Games folder now you have to click install.
make me sick, I don't wanna talk.